Last but not the least, a person who believes in self-growth and is ready to work for it. Be it about exploring new ways, tools, softwares, and programs to enhance one's skill or receiving feedback about the work. A good graphic designer embraces it all. This person believes that in order to thrive, I need to stay updated, learn, and connected to new ways of doing things. This person believes in the power of constructive criticism and instead of taking it personally, uses it for self-growth. This last one is the most trickiest one to have and most important one to succeed in the field of graphic designing. What are your views about these characteristics? What do you think is most important thing for a person to become a good graphic designer? Please share your responses in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching.